Vegetable House by TRIOSTUDIO in Nanjing, China. Vegetable House is the second store of tea brand point in Nanjing. On the basis of the main tea service in the first store, the vegetable room is characterized by providing healthy and high-quality vegetarian services and has launched a restaurant function. The design team regards the space as an important carrier of the brand spirit, continues the flexible and open atmosphere of the tea room, focuses on creating a social sense of the space, and conveys the simple aesthetic spirit upheld by the brand. The design team continues the space theme of a settlement, building blocks in the space to create a natural community hidden in the city. Through the opening of the facade and the basic spatial form enclosed by the steel structure, a continuous and stacked double-layer spatial order is created, and the original architectural frame is connected so that the landscape and the interior are blended and presented. The harmonious beauty of contrasting historical textures and new materials. Based on the brand tonality that emphasizes simple aesthetics, the overall space is created in the environment, intervenes in the social lifestyle of young consumers with a flexible and open attitude, and integrates the brand's vision for a better urban life for young people. Under the innovation of tea and vegetarian aesthetics, it reconstructs nature to present a poetic space that connects daily life. The layered terrain formed by the height difference is used as the public furniture in the space, and the original paving material also enhances the sense of outdoor experience. On the first floor, the scattered seats and car seats are arranged in a staggered manner to meet the needs of various forms of dining. The second floor space is dominated by private rooms. The inclusive and peaceful space state stimulates the multidimensional senses of customers and realizes the interaction between people and space. Viewpoint Vegetable House focuses on the relationship between people, the environment, and nature in the urban circle. It carries the reverence for nature from the restaurant experience service and leads people to yearn for a simpler way of life.